It begins where forces are at their absolute limit. Precision shaped for temperatures where metal almost becomes fluid. Inside a jet engine, every surface, every curve, every blade must perform without fault. On the ground, the demand is different, but the expectation is the same. Strength with lightness, movement with absolute control. And when performance belongs to the human body, precision becomes personal, surfaces that must fit nature's design. Introducing the Cosmos UNIMILL series, the center point, where every demanding idea takes shape. From rough cuts that move material fast, to microns that matter at the finish. This isn't just a machine tool. It's control, power, accuracy. Ready for the toughest shops, the boldest parts, and the people who push what's possible.